Diving into 3D production workflows and have a USP file in your pipeline? This is a packaged scene description used in modern animation and VFX. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these universal scene description packages. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest USP cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. USP files are universal scene description package files associated with Pixar's USD framework, used in 3D animation and visual effects pipelines. They package scene composition data, including geometry materials, lights, cameras, and animation into portable archives for collaborative production workflows. P files use the USD package format, storing hierarchical scene composition with prims attributes, relationships, variants, and references, following Pixar's universal scene description specification, with support for layered composition and non-destructive editing across complex production pipelines. The most widely recognized opener for USP is unequivocally Autodesk Maya from Autodesk. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows may show only thumbnails or metadata, so full inspection must occur in compatible CAD software. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your USP file and select Open With. If Autodesk Maya is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. When a USP file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the USP error. First, opening in USD View. Install the USD toolkit from Pixar's GitHub repository and use the USD View command line tool to open USP files. The viewer displays the complete scene hierarchy with interactive 3D viewport showing geometry materials and animation, enabling inspection of complex scene compositions. Next, importing in DCC software. Import USP files into digital content creation software like Autodesk, Maya, Houdini, Blender, or Unreal Engine. These applications include native USD support through their respective USD plugins, enabling editing of the scene composition rendering and integration with existing production assets. Finally, extracting the package. Treat USP files as zip archives by renaming the extension to .zip and extracting with 7-zip or your operating system's archive tool. The extracted contents reveal individual USD layers, texture files, and metadata that can be examined separately for understanding the scene structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.